Hi, this is Roberta from fatfinch.com, an online birding boutique. Today I want to talk to you about a very important chore that can be done any time of the year, but especially now in the spring when the birds will be coming back in greater numbers to feed at your feeders, and that is to clean your bird feeders. This is my setup. I've got a tub of soapy water, and then I have a tub of a very weak bleach solution. That's 1 part bleach to 10 parts water. So if you use 1 cup of bleach, 10 cups of water at least. You can dilute it even more. And I have a variety of brushes and a very dirty bird feeder. This is the Niger feeder I've been using, and as you can see, it's got caked on Niger and oils. The inside is filthy. So this is one I'm going to clean today. So the first thing I do is just stick it in this tub and let it soak really well. I'm going to let the bottom soak, and then I'll let the rest of it soak. And I use these brushes to get all this crud out, and it can take a little while. As you can see, this is going to need to soak. After it's clean, which obviously it is not yet, I put it in this bleach solution just for a little while. And after that, I just run it under the faucet. You want to rinse out that bleach solution really, really well and get that out. And then I basically just let it dry in the sun. The sun is a great disinfectant, so you can let it stay out there until it's dry or all day, whatever, and then fill it with seed again and hang it up. And this is a great way to make sure that you keep your birds healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and visit us at fatfinch.com.